Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Pad 2 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the developer options. We have to open the settings and then go to About Tablet, which is at the top of this left section, left list. Now keep tapping on the OS version until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. It should take about 7 taps on the OS version. Then let's go back to this left section and scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. And here scroll down again to find developer options. Now all we have to do is to scroll down again to find the option automatic system updates. So all you have to do to turn it on is to tap on the switcher next to it, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.